charm fam, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing great. So in today's video I'm going to recreate Kriti Sanan's nude flushed makeup look, and actually you can wear this look after office meeting पे if you're going outside, daytime में this look is just perfect. If you want to know how I created this beautiful, stunning, neutral look, then please keep on watching. And before starting, if you are new here, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon ताकि मेरा कोई वीडियो सबसे मिस ना हो. And yep, let's get started. So before starting with the makeup part, I'm gonna make sure कि मेरा skin जो है वो maximum safety पे हो, because right now the new normal is wearing a mask, carrying a sanitizer always, right? So why not a face sanitizer? Like, yes, this is a new product for me as well, so I was actually very excited to try this one out. And so I'm gonna apply a face sanitizer today, and wait, I'm not kidding, and I'm gonna use today RX Safe face sanitizer. Well, it's a face sanitizer. Yes, you heard me right. So it's meant for your face. इसका काम है एक शील्ड क्रिएट करना आपके फेस के ऊपर, and it offers an instant and long lasting protection from germs, bacteria and viruses, and also it has been certified effective against the black fungus. So you can actually add this to your daily routine to ensure कि आप maximum protection ले रहे हो अपने लिए. So I'm just gonna rub it, and it feels like super watery. क्योंकि इट्स अ सैनिटाइजर, डोंट गेट इट रॉन्ग कि इसमें अल्कोहल होगा. वेल, बिल्कुल नहीं. इट हैज़ 5 essential oils such as tea tree oil, turmeric oil, there is a rose oil, eucalyptus and also licorice oil, and it kills 99.9% of germs and viruses, and it just gets absorbed very quickly. So that is it. इसके बाद I'm going to apply my moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer of your choice जो आप यूज़ करते हो. So right now me and my family is also trying this RX Safe Ambitize. It's a room freshener in a form of sanitizer. It has essence of rosemary oil, which is actually known for its microbacterial properties, and it eliminates up to 99.9% germs, bacteria and viruses, and it has an amazing smell. Trust me, like, it is very calming. So in case you're not check out, I'll be linking this products in my description box below. And RX Safe के website पे अभी buy one get one offer चल रहा है, so do hurry. RX Safe products are also available at Amazon, Flipkart, 1mg and Smitten. So the next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply my primer. For that I'm using my all-time favorite Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. Well, it's a silicone based primer, so if you have oily or combination skin you can use this one. If you have dry skin you can still use this one, but make sure कि आप इससे पहले एक heavy moisturizer, thick moisturizer यूज़ कर रहे हो. In this photo, Kritika जो face है ना बहुत ही healthy and skin like not foundation like but skin like लग रहा है. So I thought कि ना मैं एक affordable and skin like light foundation use करूँ. So I'm using today Insight Ultra Thin Daily Wear Foundation, and daily wear long wear foundation, ultra thin second skin long wear foundation, and my shade is 04, that is warm nude. So I'm taking 3 drops of it, and मैं इसे पूरे face पे से dot करके apply करूँगी पहले. So I'm gonna blend this today using my PAC beauty blender. I'm just going to dab the foundation ताकि अच्छे से blend हो जाए. I'm not swiping it. It's very liquidy, so make sure कि आप इसे ना एक ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर के हेल्प से ब्लेंड कर रहे हो. अदरवाइज अगर आप एक ब्रश यूज़ करोगे तो आपको ब्रश का स्ट्रोक्स मिलेगा. एंड आई एम रियली सॉरी अगर आपको बाहर में थोड़ा सा नॉइज़ आ रहा होगा, बिकॉज जो मेरे नेबर है उसमें कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम चल रहा है. सो sorry for that, just ignore that noise. So for the concealer I'm using NY Bay liquid concealer. I'm just going to apply it थोड़ा सा मेरे center face पे, मेरे eyes के ऊपर as an eyeshadow base of course. And I'm going to use that same beauty blender. So this concealer has a medium coverage, medium to level coverage actually, and it is like very lighter on skin, and also ये बहुत जल्दी blend भी हो गया. To set my concealer I'm using Miss Claire banana powder, light banana luxury loose powder. I'm using Wet n Wild natural fixing setting spray, and लेके मैं इसे अपने just ऊपर डैब कर लूँगी एक बार. I don't know why, but इसका spray इतना जल्दी ख़राब हो गया. But it's an amazing product, like one of my favorite setting sprays. My face is looking literally amazing, like healthy, my skin, no makeup kind of कुछ लग रहा है मेरा face अभी, and I'm loving it actually. कृति का जो face था ना वो बहुत ही slightly contoured, like bronzed and blush apply किया था बहुत ही हल्का सा. So for my face I'm using the Rimmel London face palette and it has very light shades. So आज के लिए this is like the perfect palette. And her nose was beautifully contoured, so मैं nose contour करने वाली हूँ. The shade is light but you can actually build this. Can you see? You can actually build this, so that's the thing. For the blush I'm using this same peachish, the nude peach shade. कृतिका आई जो है न्यूट्रल टोन में है एंड लाइक न्यूड शेड्स आर देयर. सो फॉर दैट दिस पैलेट इज जस्ट परफेक्ट. दिस इज नायका स्मोकी एट 8 पैलेट. Well, the packaging is very flimsy, like very flimsy, but it has beautiful nude shades like shimmers and mattes. Warm tone neutral shade लेके पूरी crease पे अप्लाई किया है. Then एक pinkish tone shade लेके अपने eyelid पे एंड नीचे अप्लाई किया है. And then the last thing, एक ब्राउन लाइक डार्क ब्राउन चॉकलेट ब्राउन शेड लेके लोअर लैश लेंगे क्लोज एंड ऑल्सो आउटर कॉर्नर पे थोड़ा सा विंग शेप में अप्लाई किया है. फॉर द क्रीज आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस वार्म शेड लाइक दिस वन राइट हियर. मैं इसे क्रीज पे एंड ऑल्सो मेरे आई लिड पे भी अप्लाई करूँगी. So I'm taking this brown shade and I'm mixing with this pinkish nude shade together and मैं इसे लेके मेरे eyelid पे अप्लाई करूँगी and lower lash line पे अप्लाई करूँगी but close like almost like a smoky liner. So after this I'm going to take this chocolate brown shade and मैं इसे एक angular brush के हेल्प से lash line के close and outer V पे थोड़ा सा wing shape में अप्लाई करूँगी. And I'm using Swiss Beauty angular brush like ये eyebrow brush है. So I'm actually taking this black shade. इसके ऊपर से मैं फिर से अप्लाई करूँगी बिकॉज ब्राउन शेड उतना भी अच्छे से समझ में नहीं आ रहा है एक्चुअली. So it's done. क्योंकि उन्होंने कोई भी फॉल्सीज अप्लाई नहीं किया है, so I'm just going to curl my lashes and I'm going to use Maybelline the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. And this is by the way my recent favorite mascara, like current favorite mascara. I can definitely see कि ये one coat में only पूरा look ही change कर दिया, so that's why I love this mascara. And I'm gonna quickly fill my brows and कृति का जो brows है ना बहुत ही sharp like mine but brownish लग रहा है, so I'm gonna take that same dark brown shade and मैं इसे angular brush की help से मेरे eyebrows को से fill कर लूँगी. So after this I'm gonna apply same Rimmel London का palette में से highlighter and I'm gonna slightly highlight my face. कृति का जो eyes है ना उस पे like inner corner पे and brown पे बहुत ही slightly highlight apply किया है, so मैं भी बहुत ही कम amount apply करूँगी. And she is wearing this nude peachish come pinkish lipstick. So this is Lakme Absolute Plush Matte Lip Crayon and my shade is 401 Peach Face. तो मैं फिर से वही same range में से roasted almond shade ले रही हूँ and this is like nude, proper nude shade. So I'm just gonna apply it center पे to make it more peachish and I'm using my finger to just blend this ताकि थोड़ा सा natural सा effect आए. So this is my final look. I just curled my hair a bit जैसे कि उनका hair है थोड़ा सा wavy, so I just tried to make it like that and she's wearing a blazer or a trench coat, I guess. Yeah, that is it. I just changed my lens actually. मैंने brown wear किया है because उनका eyes थोड़ा सा brownish लग रहा था, like brown लग रहा था, brownish नहीं. Let me know in the comment section below कि आपको ये look, ये tutorial कैसा लगा. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all.